In P8 we need to collect data and produce statistical diagrams, histograms and frequency curves. In this lesson we need to be able to plot histograms. Section 3, Histograms, on page 18 of the P8 booklet. For a histogram, the area of the bar represents the frequency. The height of the bar is called frequency density. So to calculate the frequency density, we take the frequency and we divide by what is known as the class width. Now class is a statistical name for group, so it's how wide the group actually is. In this example, we need to draw a histogram for the data in this table, so we'll need to calculate the frequency densities. So for the first group, 150 to 155, the frequency is 3, and we need to divide by the class width. 150 to 155 is a width of 5, so it's 3 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.6. Then the next group, 155 to 160, has a frequency of 9. Again, the class width is 5, so it's 9 divided by 5, which is equal to 1.8. Then the next group, 160 to 180, has a frequency of 10. The class width is 20, 160 plus 20 is 180, so 10 divided by 20 is equal to a half. And then finally, the 180 to 190 group has a frequency of 8. We divide by its class width of 10. We get 0.8. Now in a histogram, we plot them as bars. Now we should really use a ruler for this, but I'm unable to use one on this. So the first bar, it goes from 150 to 155 and it has a height of 0.6. So mine's going to be messy due to my ability to write on this screen, but of course you should be able to do yours more precisely on the table. Next group, 155 to 160, has a height of 1.8. Then 160 to 180 has a height of 0.5. If only all my bars was as good as that one. And then finally 180 to 190 has a height of 0.8. And that gives us our histogram. Again, just to reiterate, you should use a ruler and it should look a lot better than this one does.